Hi everyone, this is Fro from GoMax, and we are an ODM manufacturer based in Taiwan. And here in InfoComm 2026, we are demonstrating two different codec of the O1stream chipset. The first one is the standard AV1, and we can do 4K 120 just in 5 megabits bitrate, and we can do the KVM control as well to remote control the source PCs. And the latency for the standard AV1 is about 40 milliseconds. And the other pace is about the proprietary O1stream codec. And we are demonstrating the 4K 120 hertz right now. And the bitrate for the proprietary is about 300 megabits, and the latency is only half frame, which is about 7.5 milliseconds. And we are demonstrating our latest AK pattern generator and analyzers, which can generate the AK signals and also analyze the incoming AK signals with the PSNR measurement and the latency measurement. Feel free to come and check in. In GoMax booth. We are in C5032. Thank you. Bye bye.